You're listening to What's on Tap Guam, Guam Waterworks Authority podcast channel. Subscribe to get updates, information, and other topics of interest that concern Guam's most precious natural resource.
Hafaday, this is Miguel Bordallo of the Guam Waterworks Authority with an update on Typhoon Mawar recovery for June 3rd, 2023. As of 6 p.m. today, GWA is now up to 55% of our wells operational, with 23 wells on island power and 43 operating on generators. GWA crews are working on facility repairs to bring additional wells online in the GWA area where GPA circuits are already energized. As the number of sites on island power grows, our teams are working with FEMA personnel to assess remaining sites and deploy generators to GWA deep wells and sewer pump stations. In the south, we continue to manage the Ugum surface water treatment plant during the heavy rains overnight. Flash floods in the morning hours caused us to take the plant offline, but it has been restored to service and continues to operate to serve the Ipan to Umatag areas. GWA received several complaints today about non-essential water use in a few areas despite our water conservation advisory. Our Compliance and Safety Division issued notices to comply with the advisory to several businesses and will continue to monitor and enforce conservation measures. We are making progress and hope to report on additional areas returning to service tomorrow. Thank you, and Sidus Masi.
For more information, visit guamwaterworks.org or call customer service at 671-647-7800. To reach our 24/7 dispatch, call 671-646-4211.